Everyone says AI learns, but what does that actually mean? No code wizardry, just one simple trick. In the next 3 minutes, you will see exactly how AI learns using an idea you already understand. By the end, the magic will feel like plain common sense. Here is the whole secret. AI learns from examples, not from rules. Imagine teaching a friend to spot a ripe mango. You do not hand them a rule book. You show them mango after mango, ripe, unripe, ripe again. Soon they just know. AI does the same, only with millions of examples. It studies them and slowly notices the patterns that tell one thing from another. Nobody types in the answer. It works it out on its own. So, how does it actually get better? Through practice. Picture learning to shoot a basketball. Your first shot misses. You adjust a little softer, a little higher. You try again and miss by less. After enough tries, you barely think about it. AI trains the very same way. It makes a guess, checks how wrong it was, then nudges itself a touch closer, and it repeats that millions of times until the guesses get sharp. There is one more piece worth knowing. AI works in two phases. First comes training, where it studies examples and soaks up the patterns. That part is slow and expensive, and it happens once. Then comes using it, which is what you do every day. You ask a question and it applies what it already learned in a heartbeat. Training is the studying, using it is the exam. So when AI feels clever, remember what is underneath. No understanding like ours, just patterns practiced until they are reliable. And here is a fun twist. You have probably trained AI yourself without ever realizing it. Every time you click the traffic lights to prove you are human, or tagged a friend in a photo, you handed a model another labeled example. Multiply that by billions of people and you get the mountain of data these systems learn from. That is also why AI keeps getting better. More examples, more practice, sharper patterns. It is not magic, it is scale. So, in short, AI learns from examples, not rules. It practices by guessing and correcting over and over. Train it once, then use it for years. Next up, we will clear up 3 words people always mix up: AI, machine learning, and deep learning. If this helped it, click subscribe. We are making all of AI this simple.